In the field of aquatic animal care, timely intervention is crucial, particularly in the treatment of injuries. A notable case involving a koi fish underscores the potential of WoundClot as a state-of-the-art healing product. A fish, having undergone tumour removal surgery, was left with a severe wound that continually bled, posing a significant challenge for effective treatment. Vets often face difficulties in managing such complex cases, especially when conventional methods fall short. This is where WoundClot made a significant impact. Applied directly to the wound outside the water, it demonstrated an exceptional ability to adapt to the unique needs of aquatic animals. What sets WoundClot apart is its rapid transformation into a gel form, effectively stopping bleeding within seconds. This is particularly impressive given the fish's natural protective jelly film, which poses an additional challenge for any external healing agent. WoundClot's adherence to the fish's skin, forming a durable barrier, effectively counteracted this hurdle, showcasing its robust performance under water pressure and in an aquatic environment. The success in this case wasn't just about stopping the hemorrhage. It was a testament to WoundClot's versatility and reliability in unconventional and challenging scenarios. Beyond its traditional medical applications, WoundClot has proven to be a versatile and dependable solution in aquatic animal care, addressing urgent and complex health challenges. As a result, WoundClot is now recognized not only as a life-saving tool in critical situations, but also pioneering innovation in the world of aquatic animal care. It represents a significant advancement in the field, offering practical and effective solutions for the well-being of aquatic species. For vets and aquatic enthusiasts, WoundClot is a testament to the power of innovative healing technologies in overcoming the most daunting challenges in animal healthcare.